Now, Africa has another opportunity to unlock its potential and rapidly advance development through social investments in critical sectors of health, climate change, education, energy, and agriculture. These are words of experts at the second edition of the Africa Social Impact Summit themed Global Vision, Local Action, Repositioning the African Development Ecosystem for Sustainable Outcomes. Adedoja Salamadini was there.
It's a gathering of representatives of the United Nations in Nigeria, Stalin One Foundation, international business and sustainability leaders, captains of industry, policymakers, and representatives from the public and private sectors. They are gathered to foster high-level discussions, share knowledge, and leverage on their collective expertise to build a sustainable future for Lagos, Nigeria, and Africa. The challenges of Africa in health, education, environment, and agriculture seem unsolvable when matched against the several actors in the development ecosystem. The 2023 Africa Social Impact Summit intends to provide deep resolutions required to move the continent forward.
This is a gathering focused on action. We need all hands on deck to invest in the transitions we need to see and drive local prosperity that benefits especially women and young people and helps create more sustainable economies, markets, and natural ecosystems.
We can't do business on a dead planet. The UN in Nigeria is committed to continuing our close partnership with government.
The first priority, food security, SDG number 2. Germany is strongly committed to combating global food insecurity and malnutrition.
Lagos State Deputy Governor Obafemi Hamzat picks his keynote address from various projections, suggesting Africa will be home to over half of the world's poorest people by 2030, which is said there is a need for the urgency and importance of this summit.
Africa cannot be a place where we have the poorest people, because we have the resources, and part of the challenges in Nigeria is also the population that needs to be addressed. One will expect that the outcome of this summit will birth actionable steps to address critical needs and mobilize investment. Our administration in Lagos State is committed to supporting these efforts.
This event seeks to reshape Africa's impact solutions and accelerate the achievement of the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. Adedoja Salamadini, TVC News, Lagos.